Welcome back to this very short and straightforward tutorial. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to mirror videos in Capcut PC. That is to say, how to flip your video horizontally. Like, for instance, you can see they are both placed in the side of the screen. We can flip them to this side of the screen very easily, and it won't take time at all. So to do that, you have to click on your video. You import your video to the timeline. Obviously, once you click on it, you are going to rotate, or you're gonna mirror it. Let me use mirror, not rotate. So we just click on that. As you can see, so it took it from this side, putting them on your right hand side, to the left hand side. So if that's the way you want it, and now when we play the video, this is what we get. So it's moving from left to right instead of from right to left, like we have it here. As you can see, the man was on the right here, but then after mirroring it, it's now on the left. So that's just a very simple way of mirroring video in Capcut PC for better editing. If you need your object or subject to a different part of the screen, you can do it in Capcut PC. I hope this was interesting. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.